Welcome in video of Knowledge Hub. Today we have very interesting question. What if the speed of light is not the ultimate speed limit? Introduction: Unlocking cosmic boundaries. For over a century, the speed of light 299792458 meter per second. It makes approximately 3 lakh kilometer per second. Has been the untouchable ceiling of the universe. The ultimate speed limit, the cosmic no entry sign. According to Einstein's special relativity, nothing, no object, no signal, not even a whisper from one star to another can move faster than light in a vacuum. But what if this scared limit is not the fun word? What if there is something faster, something deeper hidden beneath the surface of our reality? If the speed of light is not the limit, the entire structure of space, time, and causality could collapse or evolve into something unimaginably more complex. Unimaginably more complex. Why is the speed of light a limit in the first place? The framework of Einstein's relativity. In 1905, Einstein introduced special relativity, which showed that time and space are not fixed. They bend depending on how fast you are moving. According to this theory, as an object approaches the speed of light, its mass increases exponentially. To move faster, it needs more and more energy. At the speed of light, it would require infinite energy to go any faster, an impossible demand. This is not just a technical inconvenience, it is a fundamental law of how energy, mass, and motion interact. Time slows down, distances contract, all conspiring to protect the light speed barrier. Time dilation and length contraction. If you travel near light speed, time for you slows down. You age slower, called time dilation. The universe around you shortens, called length contraction. So if you somehow went faster than light, these effects would reverse. And this takes us into dangerous paradoxes. What if we did break the limit? Causality would break. Causality is the simple principle that cause comes before effect. You drop a glass and then it breaks. You light a match and then you see the flame. But going faster than light would allow information or objects to travel backward in time. Example: imagine sending a message to a planet 10 light years away using a faster than light signal. If the signal arrives before you send it, the receiver could reply before you decide to send it. This results in the grandfather paradox. If you went back in time and prevented your own birth, how did you exist to go back? These scenarios are not just strange, they are logically self-contradictory, and physics currently avoids them at all costs. Faster than light ideas in theoretical physics. Now let us explore some serious and speculative concepts where faster than light travel might occur without breaking the laws of physics, at least not all of them. Tachyons, particles that always travel faster than light. Tachyons are hypothetical particles that could only exist faster than light. They cannot slow down to reach light speed. Their mass would be imaginary. Yes, mathematically imaginary, and their behavior breaks all known physical rules. No evidence for tachyons has ever been found. If they existed, they would allow insist communication but also violate causality. They are mainly studied in string theory and quantum field theory as mathematical tools. So far, they are just theoretical ghosts of faster than light motion. Quantum entanglement, spooky action at a distance. When two particles are entangled, changing one immediately affects the other, even if they are billions of kilometers apart. To observers, this change seems instantaneous, faster than light. But if does not transist unusable information, so you can't send a message this way. Still, it suggests that the universe is not local. Everything may be fundamentally connected beyond the limits of speed and space. This could point toward a deeper layer of reality, one in which The speed of light is just an illusion of the surface, warp drives and bending space-time. The Alcubierre drive proposed in 1994 does not make your ship move faster than light. Instead, it wraps space-time. Space in front of the ship is compressed. Space behind the ship is expanded. The ship rides this wave like a surface moving faster than light relative to the outside universe. It avoids breaking the speed of light. Locally, the ship is not moving faster than light in its own frame, but the energy required to create such a bubble is enormous, involving negative energy or exotic matter, which we have not found yet. NASA has explored this data under advanced propulsion concepts, but we are decades or centuries away from feasibility, if ever. Extra dimensions and band cosmology in string theory and brain world models, our 3D universe may be a membrane floating in a higher dimensional space. What if information or matter could take a shortcut through a higher dimension, bypassing our 3D space-time and reappearing somewhere else instantly? These shortcuts are called hyperspace tunnels or bulk travel. They could circumvent the light speed limit from our perspective, while still obeying deeper rules in the higher dimensional space. This idea is still very speculative, but it suggests our universe may not be as isolated as it seems. Consequences of faster than light being possible. If something could go faster than light, time travel could become real. Even small violations of the speed of light could permit closed time-like curves, meaning you could loop back to earlier points in time. The implications: visiting our ancestors, rewriting history, paradox change with no logical end. Galactic colonization would be instant. We could travel to Alpha Centauri in seconds. Communication with distant galaxies without waiting millions of years. Build a galactic civilization where all parts are connected in real time. This would revolutionize humanity's existence. Our understanding of physics would be overturned. If faster than light is possible, it would mean Einstein's relativity is incomplete or only an approximation. We would need a new theory, one that combines quantum mechanics, general relativity, a possible deeper quantum gravity theory. It would mean a new physics is waiting beyond what we know, the end of the beginning. So what if the speed of light is not the ultimate limit? Then everything changes. Not just how we travel, but how we understand time, cause, and the universe itself. Maybe the cosmos is much more flexible than we think. Maybe light speed is not a wall, but a veil hiding a deeper truth. And as we peer through the veil, with quantum technology, exotic theories, and bold imagination, we might one day discover that faster the light is not just possible, it's necessary to unlock our future. And we will discover all new worlds exist in the universe.